Hi everyone. So today what I want to share with you is how to speed learn for the GATE CSIT exam. इसके लिए मैंने एक strategy create करी है to demo this how to speed learn. I will first show you how to select the topic, and there's a 3-step process: revise the topic, practice the topic, and then test yourself. पहली बात यह है कि topic selection कैसे करें. So you have to pick a topic that is important and has strong weightage in the previous years. So अगर मैं इसमें आपको दिखाता हूँ, एक टॉपिक प्रायोरिटी का रूब्रिक बनाया हुआ है, एंड DBMS में व्हाट आई सॉ इज रिलेशनल मॉडल इज क्वाइट एन इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक बिकॉज इट इज एक्चुअली कमिंग इन frequently every year, 2020, 2021, 22, 23. So basically I chose the relational model as my topic. Then revise करना था इसको. I was able to do adaptive revision from going from 0% to 95% in 92% in around 43 minutes it took me. So I'll show you, like even in here, if you do the adaptive revision rather than just revising anything, it will adapt to what you know and make you complete the chapter faster and also learn the things that you don't already know. So what I'll show you is where I left this revision, because I reached 92% competency. मेरे को लग रहा था कि I was able to solve the problems then. So यहाँ पे you can see the score 92%. Then what I did is PYQs, of course. तो मैंने practice कर लिया, filtered through the last 5 years, and I reviewed my mistakes on that. So for example, अगर मैं आपको यहाँ पे भी दिखाता हूँ PYQs में, you can just choose what is it that you need to do. I chose relational model of DBMS. And so सारे जो PYQs थे that I had to practice, I filtered through last 5 years, and I was able to practice them and also review where I was going wrong, what I was doing incorrectly and correctly. Finally, मैंने custom test कर दिया. This took around 10 minutes for me. So I just created a test for myself. So for example, एक DBMS में relational model में I basically chose 8 minutes and I gave myself 8 questions in 15 minutes to start the test. And I was able to, I'll just show you my results also. I was able to get 75% accuracy. And I was able to solve each question in under like 50 seconds, 60 seconds. So I was thinking within 1 hour, approximately, how much was it? 1 hour, chapter completion took me 1 hour, 5 minutes. And I was able to speed learn this very quickly and understand what are my weaknesses and practice them. So if this interests you, let me know. I'm happy to discuss further.